Welcome to Tally Help videos. After migrating to TallyPrime Release 3.0, when you upload GSTR-3B JSON file exported from TallyPrime 3.0 on the GST portal, the values don't get refreshed and don't get displayed properly. You can easily resolve this issue by exporting GSTR-3B to the GSTR-3B offline utility or simply the GSTR-3B template provided by the GST portal. Thereafter, you can generate a JSON file using the tool to upload on the GST portal. First, let us see how to download the GSTR-3B offline utility from the GST portal. Open gst.gov.in in a browser. Click the Downloads tab and then Offline Tools. Under that, click GSTR-3B offline utility. Click Download. Click Proceed and the offline utility will get downloaded. You can then extract the files in a specific folder, say GSTR-3B offline utility, in your computer. Now, let's export GSTR-3B to GSTR-3B offline utility. In TallyPrime, press Alt+E for export. GST returns. And press Enter. Press F5 for GSTR-3B. Press F3 to select the GST registration for which you want to export GSTR-3B and press Enter. Press F2 and enter the from and to dates of the period if needed and press Enter. Now, press X for export. Press C to configure the export. Under Export Settings, select Template File Path and press Enter. Specify the path where you have stored the GSTR-3B offline utility. Under Template File Name, select the GSTR-3B offline utility file and press Enter. Press Ctrl+A to save. Press E for export. Open the MS Excel file of GSTR-3B that got generated. Click Validate. Now, click Generate File. The JSON file gets generated. You can upload the JSON file on the GST portal. As you saw, you can easily use the GSTR-3B offline utility downloaded from the GST portal to generate JSON file that you can upload on the portal. Thank you. To know more about TallyPrime features, visit help.tallysolutions.com. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel on YouTube for the latest videos.